Hello guys and welcome back to Daily Crypto TV. Today we're going to be talking about Bitcoin and then we're going to be talking about XRP. I am super annoyed because I did post a video earlier on today at about, I'm not sure when it was, I think it's about 7 o'clock, half 7. I'm just annoyed because I did it, it was about 14 minutes long and I posted it, did everything I needed to do, and then I watched it and there was no sound. It's because my OBS just did something and then yeah, basically it didn't put my sound in, which is really annoying. But anyway, we're back at it again. It's 11 o'clock now and I need to get out before midnight, so great. But anyway, still good news. Let's start with Bitcoin. 45-minute chart. So basically if you guys watched my video yesterday, before you watch this one, it probably would make more sense. But basically, in yesterday's video, around this area here, I said Bitcoin will retest $31,000. No, it was 31,000. Yeah, $31,100, and it did exactly. We came into this. We basically formed this bullish flag pattern, and then I said. If you saw my Twitter, I posted basically a picture of this bullish flag pattern, and I said if we break out, then our target would be $33,600. But if we broke to the downside, we probably would end up going down to about $28,300. We have broke out of it, but we haven't broke out as far as I thought we would. But we basically come down to the support of $29,300, and we seem to have stayed above it. So hopefully we're just now trading sideways, and we're not going to go any way further down. Let's just take this out because I don't think we need this anymore. Yeah, so basically, if you were watching my video yesterday, then you would have been able to do something about this pump. Everything seemed to be ticking bullish. Well, it wasn't everything. It was the 4-hour chart and the daily chart, which is the most bullish to look out for. We are on the 4-hour chart now, and we're not quite bullish yet. We are potentially about to tick bullish on the MACD. But I have something to say in a minute, so if you keep on watching, then I will tell you. So basically, yeah, so that's the 45-minute chart. I predicted this pump up here. We retested this, and I said we might trade sideways after this, and then if we break out of the flag that we did form, then we would retest this support, and we did exactly that, which I'm quite happy about. So let's move to the 1-hour chart. Yeah, still not quite ticking bullish yet, or on the MACD. I can't remember what I was talking about in the video earlier, but I'm not sure if they were bullish yet. I think it was the 4-hour chart, but we'll go to that in just a second. Actually, no, we'll go there now. Let's go to the 4-hour chart. When did I make the video? Yeah, I did make the video around here. I think on this one, it was the daily chart that was going to be ticking bullish. So basically, we're still potentially in a bullish pennant pattern. Possibly. It's not a very good drawing, but that's usually what it looks like. So basically, if we end up ticking bullish here, then we would come out of this bullish pennant pattern, and we should be retesting the $32,400 sort of level. Obviously, if we break to the downside, then we should be retesting. Let's just do that in just a second. We should be coming back down to these sort of levels here, which seem to be a resistance at the moment, a support. Sorry. So yeah, if we break out of this bullish pennant pattern on the 4-hour chart, then we should be going down to about $27,800. Maybe I'm gonna let's do this. Let's do this. So that is now a new support. So yeah, if we fall out of this bullish pennant pattern, we should be retesting $27,900. If we break out of it, then we should be touching a sort of $32,400. I think it could possibly go to the upside. I do feel like we did create. So basically, this is the new bottom for Bitcoin. This is just basically what I think. I may be wrong, but that's just what I think. Let's just go to the daily. So the daily, we're not too far off ticking bullish, which is why I wanted to make this video quite quickly for you guys. So basically, we should be ticking bullish in the next sort of couple of hours. But we do sort of, I would like to see us sort of close above the $30,400 level, just to basically confirm for continuation. It would sort of solidify a pump to the upside, really. So basically, if we tick bullish on the daily, we should see a nice rise in price. So it's probably pretty much where I drew that line earlier, because you can see that this is what I drew the bullish pennant on the 4-hour chart. If we break out of this, then yeah, $33,200. So we'd basically break through this resistance of $31,000, retest probably the $32,300 level, and then no, that was $32,400 level, and then we should hopefully break through that, get to about $33,200, probably retest this resistance here at about $33,700, and then we'll probably bounce back off of that, to be honest, for now. But yes, I do think basically what I was saying in the video that I made earlier, which you can't hear because I messed up. So what I was basically saying is that on the MACD, if you look at the MACD and you scroll down, every time we reach the bottom of the MACD, there's a huge pump to the upside. And basically the last time so this is on the daily chart, so the last time we've done this, so basically we're matching this one here. So if we come up to this pump, there's a pump there, but I do think if we do go lower, if we end up coming down here and retesting the $22,700 level, then, well, I mean, there'll be a huge pump to the upside. Look at it every time. Look, MACD here, bottom of the MACD, massive, huge impulsive break to the upside. Even here, there was one up here, but it's obviously it's not the same as the other one, but it's still a massive pump to the upside. It goes to the bottom of the MACD and then it pumps back up. That's just what happens. I'm pretty sure that's the one I drew. Yeah, here. So this was basically this one here. So we sort of come up, come down, hit the bottom here, and then boom, massive pump to the upside. So we're basically doing that now. But what we want to see is this basically this yellow line here come down here, and then this red line crosses, and then as soon as this happens, we're going up. Sky's the limit, I think. That's not what I want to do. So yeah, so basically if this happens, my prediction for this would be about $42,100 if we reach the bottom of this MACD here. I do think it should happen fairly soon. Can't really say when, but because nothing really correlates here, I can't really count the amount of days. It's just basically we've gone up, massive impulsive break, come all the way down, hit the bottom here, come up, which was the break, come back down, hit the previous bottom. We've come up, come down here, created the bottom here, and we've come up, come all the way down here. So I'm actually probably expecting a more impulsive break than this yellow candle here. We possibly could mimic this one here, because the last time it went all the way down here, then yeah, obviously sky was the limit. So I do think we will probably end up pumping more than this yellow candle that I put in, but this is a more realistic sort of prediction. So I do think we should be getting back to the $42,000 level, but I still do think that we would be going higher. I'm still hoping between a $60,000 to $70,000 Bitcoin once things start getting bullish again. But I do think that this is our new bottom here at about $27,800. But obviously if we break down there, we've still got a couple of other supports to sort of be hitting, but obviously no one wants to see that. So let's go over to XRP. This is let's go to the 45-minute chart. Again, So yesterday, this was the break that I anticipated. No, what is that? I've got lines everywhere here. So basically, this was where I made my video yesterday. So do go and check that out, because if you watch that previous video first and then watch this video, then obviously it would probably make more sense, because you can obviously see basically where I predicted it, and I could prove myself right, really. Obviously you guys might not believe me, but that's what happened. So I predicted it around here. I think I posted my video around 11:30, and then I did say in the next couple of hours, I think it was after the 4-hour chart was about to tick bullish, so I think the 4-hour chart still had like 2 hours left. And then I basically said about here, and then we pumped to the upside. I basically said we're going to break through these two resistances here, and then we're going to hit this resistance, and then probably come back down and trade sideways, which we did. We've basically come down, retested this support level of 42 cents. And then I do think, so this is a candle that I made in my video that I did make today, but obviously I couldn't get it out there. So this is the pump that I measured. So this was, what was this? This was from a different chart. Let's go to the hour chart. So let's just look at this. So we've literally just ticked bullish on the 45-minute chart, here on the RSI, and here on the MACD. Let's move to the 1 hour. So this is this candle here. Basically, in my video earlier on, a few hours ago, I said we were about to tick bullish on every single chart, and we're literally about to tick bullish. We're ticking bullish on the RSI here, and we're ticking bullish on the MACD here on the 1 hour as well. So that's the 45-minute, the 1 hour. Let's move to the 4-hour chart. We're still looking good on the 4-hour chart. And we're still looking good on the MACD. We obviously tick bullish on the MACD here, which is why we've seen this pump that I predicted. And we are still in a bullish flag pattern here. So if we break out of this bullish flag pattern, I will basically predict that we will, so if we break to the upside, we should be seeing a 54 cents XRP. If we, let's just draw this, so if we drop to the, would it be that one or would it be that one? Let's just do this one. If we drop to the downside of XRP, then we'll probably be retesting this support level here of 33 cents like we did the other day. But as you can see, we obviously did that, and then we just come straight back up. But it is looking bullish. We are ticking bullish on the 45-minute, the 1 hour. The 4 hour, we're obviously already above the yellow line, and we are about to tick bullish on the daily. So on the daily, so this is the daily chart. We're literally ticking bullish. So I think in the next hour and 45 minutes, we'll be ticking bullish here on the RSI for XRP. And obviously, we haven't ticked bullish on the MACD yet. But this is lovely, lovely news, because it's been a while since XRP's had a nice little pump to the upside. So once we tick bullish, we should be seeing XRP breaking through these two resistance levels here. So breaking through the 45 cents and then the 48 cents, and we should be getting to about 50 cents. So that's from 43 to about 50 cents. That is not the one I wanted. It's the measuring tool. So that's about 15.66% increase. Which we should see. So basically, in the next couple of hours, we should be ticking bullish with XRP and Bitcoin. Obviously, Bitcoin pumps, XRP pumps. So if this happens, we shall see a 50 cents XRP, and we should be seeing a 2 seconds. And we should be seeing a $33,200 Bitcoin. So $33,200 Bitcoin and 50 cents XRP in the next sort of few hours. probably end up being around midnight tonight, or about between. The new day starts between 12 midnight and 5 in the morning. I think that's the, the start of the new daily chart, of sort of like when the pump happens, basically. But anyway, I need to wrap this up. My video is 50 minutes long. But yeah, these are my predictions. I'll see you guys on the next one. I'll do one tomorrow. And yeah, I'll see you there. Make sure you like and subscribe and all that jazz. I would like to see this video get to 20 likes. And I'd like to get to, my target for my subscribers is 50. So let's try and get there, see what happens. I'll see you guys on the next one. This is not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. All right? Peace.